Most of us are scared of what's stored in our body. Not always consciously, but the tension, the tightness, the buried memories carry echoes of past trauma. We fear feeling it. We fear being fully present in our own bodies because some experiences felt unbearable. When we were young and overwhelmed, we disconnected. It was survival. Our primitive brain tucked away the fear, the pain, the helplessness. We escaped the moment and left a part of ourselves behind. This wasn't failure, it was protection. But the cost is real. That energy doesn't disappear. Sometimes it hides quietly. Sometimes it erupts in anxiety, stress, distraction, or compulsive habits. Our shoulders tighten. Our jaws clench. Our bodies brace for danger that isn't there. Energy wants to move. Trauma wants to be felt. If we could have spoken up, run, fought, or discharged that energy when we were overwhelmed, it would have passed. But we couldn't, so it stayed. And now, as adults, that tension lives in our fascia, in our tissues, in the patterns of our body. Hi! If we haven't met yet, my name is Hince. Because of many years of inner and shadow work, my skull bones have shifted into more alignment, and I've even grown close to an inch in my 50s. This happened because I developed abilities that I didn't even know existed. I can sense inside my body, what ancient mystics might call an open inner or third eye. And just as we can all focus on a point outside of us, I can focus on a point inside of me with awareness that's like a laser beam. It cuts through adhesions in my connective tissue, strand by strand. The experience and understanding from this journey is what I share here. Please ask any questions in the comments, and welcome. Healing doesn't come from thinking or analyzing. It comes from presence, from noticing the tension, the fear, the sensations, and saying, I see you. You are safe. You can release when you're ready. With attention, curiosity, and care, the energy moves, and we meet the parts of ourselves that we once had to hide. When we do this work through somatic practices, tapping, breathing, or mindful awareness, we start to notice something different. Place your hand on your chest and feel it soften. Let your shoulders drop. Relax your jaw. Let your stomach and your chest relax. Slowly, we remember what it's like to be fully alive in our bodies, to be fully present in the moment. This isn't theory, it's practice. With consistent practice, turning towards what we've avoided, our body can reclaim the energy that it's been holding. Awareness and curiosity allow it to move, and in that, freedom arises. We can meet it with compassion, and as we do, the effect ripples outward. Calmer presence for others, steadier energy in our work and our relationships, and a sense of confidence in ourselves. I know this because I've done it myself. I've felt the layers of tension, the old emotions, the parts of my past that were heavy and hidden. And now I can move through them, feel them, witness them, release them one layer at a time. Each time, a little more light flows through me. If you want to see exactly how I did this, here's a link to my Inner Peace Masterclass, where I guide you step by step through the process. Your body wants you to be present. Your energy wants to move. Your fascia holds your story. waiting for your awareness to unlock it. This is where true healing lives. This is where freedom lives. If you're willing to turn towards your body, notice what's been stored, and release it with care, you'll find that your nervous system can reset. Your shoulders will drop. Your breath will deepen. And the weight you've been carrying will start to lift. And in that space, you can access something that's been waiting all along. Your own light, your own freedom, your own presence. If this video helped you, click the thumbs up button below. It really helps me reach more people. And keep watching. The next video will guide you further on your path to inner peace.